Hey. Hey, everybody. Anybody? Somebody? Come on in, Ming Ming. You know. This is our first live, girl. How you feeling? Are you excited?
Yeah.
What's going on, you guys? What's going on? What's going on? Tonight we are going to be talking about this is our first one, so y'all bear with us. This is our first time. I don't know how to work this. I'm trying to see what kind of light. I think I did. Try not to knock it down, because we got the, honey, we got the ghetto. Ooh, that's too bright. Is it messing up out?
Too bright in there.
Okay. Anyway, we getting ready. So y'all bear with us. Don't do that. Hi, everybody. I'm Nicole Planter. I go by Supportive Mom Mission. I have not been on this page in a while. But however, we came on here tonight, me along with this young lady who is known as
Everything, man.
which is my little protege.
Put some respect on my name.
Okay, we're gonna put some respect on her name.
So y'all go.
Support the cause. That's how we gonna do it. Okay, so tonight we are going to be talking about a new program that Facebook is offering, and it's called the Facebook Reels. I didn't know anything about this program until I saw the things on my timeline, running down my like when you go on your timeline, you can see things on your Facebook showing you, hey, join the Facebook, whatever, do this or do that. It's in this thing like this. It's when you go to your Facebook and you look right here to see who leave messages. Well, anyway, we had a message right there that says you can join. You are now able to be like a content creator and join Facebook Reels and make Reels, and you can get paid. So, I was kind of skeptical at first, so I kind of avoided it. And then I went back and saw other people doing it. So I was like, let me check this out. Let me see if this thing really what it's about. So we went on there, and I'm really not too sure about what all is going to take place with this, because again, we are new to it and we're trying it out. And I really think Facebook is kind of like trying it out too. It's similar to like how TikTok and Instagram has the Reels. Well, now you can get paid for it now. So I think when they first came out, you cannot. Let me put this out here. I'm not a professional. I'm just telling you what I've witnessed and have been doing thus far. From my understanding, there's no way you can go and inbox message Facebook. Hey, you can't go to Facebook and message them and ask them, hey, can I be a part of the program? From my understanding, you have to have your past reel. Say you already did a reel. From my understanding, I'm thinking that if you already had a reel within the last 30 days that may have reached 1,000 plays, they may send you an invite. And that's the little thing that I was showing you in here. It's not on here anymore, but say you go to your Facebook and you see this right here. It's going to be in this. It's going to be like an invite. Don't get scared. Click on it and
start.
It's called a Facebook bonus. It's a Facebook play bonus, and mine started out at $1,200. So basically, I have to get a certain amount of views on my thing, and the money keep accumulating. So for every 1,000, you got to get on each video reel 1,000 views for it to count. So basically, you put your reel up, you make your little reel, and then you let people I learned this today as well. Don't put follow or or go to somebody else's page and be telling them, oh, follow, or like. From my understanding that it could get your page demonetized, so you won't be able to get your money. So it's a lot of new things that's coming out with this Facebook reel. I know that you can get paid on this Facebook reel. I know that it is real, and I know people who is really getting paid to do it. I have not received my first monies yet, but when I do, y'all will be the first to know. But my bonus started at let me show you guys. I have the paperwork here. So it started on June. Mine's end on July 6th. My bonus could go up to $1,200. I could go up to $1,200 on my bonus. Some people had $35,000 they can get when it first came out. So basically you had to, and it's some crazy number that you had. And you'll probably be like, I'm not going to reach it, because I'm looking at it like, I'm not going to reach this goal. But from my understanding, once you get 100, once this number over here gets to $100, that's when you'll get your first pay. And all your past, not your past one, but the ones that started, since you started the bonus program, it rolls over. So don't think you're going to lose your money if you don't reach your goal by the date, the July 6th. If you don't reach your goal by that date, from my understanding, the month rolls over. Your views roll over to the next month. So what you didn't get this month, you can still get it next month. Your views still will count for something. You still would be qualified from my understanding, for this $1,200. It may take you a little longer to get to it, but we new to this. We don't have the following like that so far, but at least on one of my views, see there, on one of my videos, I reached 2,000, which is just something that I threw up there just to see. Hey, let me see if I'm going to get any plays on this video. And that was my lottery one, and it got to 2,000. So I already have 2,000 views on this lottery one. Then I reposted again and put it up again, and I got another 2,000 followers. I mean, not followers, but I got another 2,000 plays on another video. That, so basically people like lottery, which I like lottery too, but that's not why. That's not really what my reels always about. So I'm just saying, they say you find your niche, which is your area, what you like to do, and just do it. Just put your content, just every day, just post your reels, and they're going to invite you sooner or later, but your reels will still be there. And once you get your reel invite and you accept your reel invite, you have to also have your business, or if you have a business, because they got like a professional mode. They say you can do it from your regular page, but
probably want to do it from different.
They say you can switch it over to your professional mode, and I never knew anything about that until they invited me, and then I switch it over to the professional mode, and put, if you got like an LLC or whatever, the money will go straight to your account. But remember, you're not going to get paid if you don't have your stuff set up. You're just going to be making reels for nothing. One, two, you're not going to be making the reels for nothing. You're not going to get your money if you don't have this information linked to your account. So I'm just saying, go get an account, even if you just want to get like I'm not sure if you could use like a I mean, maybe it might could be linked to your PayPal, but I link it to one of my banks, which I bank with Navy. One of my banks that I don't really too much is I link it to that. I link it to a bank that I don't hardly use it at all. So I guess you can link it to like a Navy Federal, Bank of America, whoever you bank with. Link it to that. Make sure you have it linked to that. And also, I from my understanding, if you go back and then you switch your pay where you want your money to be sent to, they are going to make you wait 10 days. 10 days you're going to have to wait for them to switch it over and to verify that you switch it. So make sure whatever bank account you connect to, whatever you trying to do with this Reels program, this bonus Reel program, you using that bank account. Because if you go and switch it to a different bank account, it's going to hold your money up. And it rolls over once, your 30 days. I'm not too sure what day you'll get paid, because again, I have not gotten my first payment. But I do know that it's real, because I know people that's getting
it. Very much so.
So this is my first time doing it. So I might be a little all over the place. And we're gonna just do it. We just gonna work with it and see how it pans out. Just stick with it. I mean, hell, if you sit on here and make reels anyway all day long, or play on Facebook all day long, why not play on it and get paid? I sit on Facebook and Instagram all the time. So, if you're gonna be on these sites, ain't no need sitting on them just, Ain't no need sitting on these sites. This is what it looked like. You know, this is what it's going to look like. And they have different, when you get to different levels of, you can get to different levels where, see, my money moving slow, but they got, when you can start doing these like challenges, and you can get $20 when you complete, you know, for each challenge, and you can complete 5 challenges. Then the money go up. Once you complete the 5 challenges, then they give you another set of challenges where like maybe around like $100 or something like that. So don't quote me on the money, but it could go up and up and up. There's no need in sitting on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, TikTok stuff all day long, and you're not going to get paid. You might as well take advantage of the programs that Facebook is they send it out there and trying to bring y'all in and use it. Use it. It's money out there. It's free money. If you're gonna sit on Facebook, like I said, all day long and don't do nothing and not get paid for it, that's you. But if I know I can get 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4 pennies, add to $1, and I'm just sitting there doing something that I like to do anyway, why not? Don't sit and look at your numbers because it's going to frustrate you. Don't sit and look at your numbers. I wouldn't advise nobody to sit and look at their numbers, because especially if you don't have a big following, you're trying to build your following to get to where you need to be at. It seems like a little bit. I don't even know how to do the math on this. To what 19,000 views, you know, plays. The comments, again, you want to have it open so people. Together? Yeah, you want to have your page open so that people can comment. I also was told that you may have people come on your page and say negative things. Do not respond to those people, because they're trying to get you to say something that can get your page banned. And you don't want to get strike for saying something that could possibly be like a threat, or, you know, like you being mean to the person, bullying, or anything crazy of that nature. So basically, if somebody come on your page and put something stupid on there and you don't like it, hey, your option is you can block them. But as long as they comment not counting for an engagement, it's counting for something on your page. So let them talk. Let them talk. Don't respond. You don't even see it. Let them keep talking. Don't put nothing back negative. Don't go to no back and forth with them. Just keep it moving. Keep it moving. Don't block your money for nobody. Again, it may take a while to get where you're trying to get at. But hey, you sitting on Facebook all day like me, playing on reels and letting her play on them and playing on these other sites. Why not get paid to do it? Just sitting there, just playing on it anyway. You might as well. I figured like this: if you get $5, that's 5 more than what you had when you start. Okay, all right. So that's what it is. We talk about Facebook Reels today, and this is our first time on here. We want to thank you for joining. It's a lot of videos on YouTube that you can go to see if you can get some more information. I can't see the comments because the light's so bright in my eye, but I'm gonna go back and read it.
It says, hey. Yeah.
I can't see. I got one contact in.
Want me to read it?
No, that's okay. But anyway, we want to thank you for joining. We appreciate it, and this give us hope that at least how many people? Just
that's
one.
Right.
Just one person. One person lets me know that it could be done. Or it's up from here, man. It's up from here. It's up from here.
Then it's up. Then it's up.
Yeah, it's up from here. So we out of here. Thank you for tuning in. Again, you can go to YouTube and type in Facebook Reels and the bonus Reels program, and you can find out a lot of information, do's and don'ts.
Fancy less, y'all go.
Going over to YouTube and look it up. We thinking about doing us one, but hey, I got full 5,000, almost 6,000 views.
Period.
On just the lottery, So I know people like looking at lottery stuff. Maybe I need to start going in the stores and recording myself when I go to play my numbers and how these people be acting in the line. I might get a couple of views just to go on the line and do something I do every day anyway. Play my little numbers. So yeah, thank you, man. I don't even know how this works. We happy.
Yes.
But I had a background look. Y'all like to look. We just break this up, y'all. We break this up. We break this up for y'all, man.
And this is Mrs. Monk.
Thank you for tuning in. I hope we did a good job.
We did do a good job.
Lily, we had to kick Lily out because she would have been telling y'all thumbs up and all kind of mess. We let her back in. This is my first event.